Yeah. Seems okay. Now we're live. Okay, it took a while. The Twitch is running pretty low latency. YouTube is really slow. So, um, hello. Okay. So we're gonna do something special. Feel free to join the Discord. What chat is this? Feel free to join the stream chat. Okay, well, copy that. Put that over there. Cool, look at that. We can post it everywhere and everyone can see it. Okay, things are working. Okay, so you may have noticed, was it last week we did the 4 FPGA Google Colabs, and I really like Google Colab, so I'm gonna try to do everything in it. And right now, I want to learn how to use Xilinx's Versal to its full capability. And one of the ways you can do that is by running OpenCL kernels on the AI engine. So these tutorials, I want to study these different tools so that I know how what applications and how to implement them in OpenCL and these kind of adjacent tools to kind of learn more options and be able to translate from one tool to the other. And today we're going to do some very simple Google Colabs where we're just going to do a device query in a bunch of different formats. And I'll post them on my GitHub later. But yeah, thanks for joining. So let's we're going to start with Cuda. So the first thing we want to do probably do a text, right, to explain what's going on. Cuda device query example with terminal commands slash C++ commands question mark. Oh no, we're gonna with C++ slash CU application. Okay, cool. So first thing first, we want to set this runtime to a GPU, and we're gonna hit save. Hopefully it's happy and doesn't. I don't have another one. And to prove that we are in a correct environment, we're going to run the NVIDIA SMI command. Did we not get our what? Oh, I totally spelled this wrong. Okay, cool. So let's look at the GPU we have. We have a Tesla T4. Computation, is the computation on here? No, we got the CUDA version 11.2. We'll see if we can get that working. So what we want to do, which I have some notes over here. We're gonna go to a GitHub. We're gonna go to CUDA samples, right? This beautiful GitHub. And we are going to clone that into our repository. So, first off, let's make sure we're always in our expected directory, and we're gonna do a git clone, right? Then we're going to go into that directory. Cuda. There. And we're going to git check out tags. Let's try 11.2, right? Okay, cool. Let's look at where we want to go. So we want to go to samples, and we just want to do a device query. Do not have a device query. Here we go, device query. Let's see if this runs. I may have to go to 11.1. So we're going to cd into content, Cuda, samples, device query. That's a capital S. And we'll do dash make or bang make bang dot slash. And it's probably going to be what? Device query. Okay, so these threads mean we're running on the wrong version. What we need to do is we need to go to 11.1. Need to figure out how to change the compute. Okay, so this compute capability is 7.5. We try to change that. Where is my compute? Let's see it with a flag. Okay, where is this defined? And SM to generate forward compatibility. So SSM equals 75. Make clean. And we do make. I want to see if it. Okay, cool. Cost 75. That's what I want. So might have to specify that in future. Let's add a note text. Do and change the SMS value in the make file to match the compute capability, match the compute capability number 7.5 equals 75, and set example on line, let's say 275. Do what, like SMS equals 75, something like that. Okay, and then we can what, cat content Cuda samples device query device query.ccpp. Okay, cool. Let's, oh no, at it to see if there's anything interesting. Goes through a lot. I wish I could break it down a little bit. Yeah, it looks like it's just a bunch of functions to call to get things. Okay, so I think we're done with that example. So let's move over to, we'll save this. I'll get it on the GitHub later. So yeah, we're going to say what? OpenCL device query example with terminal commands and C++ question mark. Okay, cool. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna change our runtime to a GPU, hit save. We're gonna go NVIDIA.SMI. Yeah, where are my notes for this one? Okay, so to install this, we're going to do sudo apt-get install OpenCL headers. Okay, let's do that. So sudo and also NVIDIA OpenCL dev. And then all we need to do is CL info. Okay, cool. So we have our device query, we have Tesla T4, we have our, where's our 7, right here, our compute capability is 7.5. Okay, let's go find some OpenCL examples, right? See if we can find the C code to go steal. Hello world. Hello C. Not sure. Let's see if we can find a so it's probably create content. Okay, that'd be useful later. Let's say device query. All right, I want to know how to do a device query. Um, okay, so that's the output. Where is the file? Compare. Do we want to go to that? Will this have a s? Okay, where is this file? Make directory. Oh, here we go. The code. Zoom out a little bit. Um, so yeah, let's try to make it. So we're gonna say raw, grab that file. Let's see. There. Okay, so I guess we'll just grab the file. Wget, and then let's try making it using their handy dandy ECC. Did we made it? And the device query. Cool. So there we go. And you can explore the files and do what you want. Okay, now we're going to OpenGL. Okay, let's see what we can find on OpenGL device query. Okay, let's see. Install OpenGL. How do we... Okay, sure. Let's first figure out how to install it. I don't need drivers. This is not useful. Yeah, yeah, I don't like this. Okay, what are my notes? Do we have a good version? Okay, we'll just say, what is OpenGL in Google Colab? Let's find some good examples. Okay, so this example, um, we have Python. So I guess we could play with this. Okay. Sure. I guess Lucid. I guess we're gonna go to a Python version. Let's see. What about UI OpenGL? Seems okay. Okay. Is there? Let's go to the GitHub. Okay. So we can do this. Um, you'd like to start with open the tutorial page. What do they got? Requirements setup. Basic geometry. Okay. Cool. Let's there. What flags are they doing? I guess we just explore those options. Well, that's a different option. Yeah, first steps. They not have any like good examples. This is painful to look at. This is probably better. Best. Um, Geometry. It was started there, I guess. I want to be able to. Okay, where is like a device query? Okay, not terribly useful. Documentation. What else? PyDoc. Source. Um, what was this? Yeah, they're not. Okay, what about Lucid OpenGL? What is Lucid? Lucid collection of image tools for that. This. Is it just like a wrapper around Geo? It is OpenGL, so maybe it's just a requirement. Okay, let's try doing this. So we don't need that. And what are we going to do next? We are just going to grab that and see what we can do. Oh, I need to change the runtime. Let us change the runtime first. GPU. Configure. Manage sessions. Yeah, we terminate that one. Okay, let's get some code. Let's put this one up here. Do NVIDIA SMI. So we want to do NumPy. Oh, you probably don't like it on separate lines. Okay, not gonna. Alright, so the behavior source. Okay, so okay, let's code. So back over here, let's go figure out what we can do in this, right? So if we do gl dash and what do we have? Gl. Well, let's do get string or gl get string, right? Gl. What? No, how do you know what to grab? I guess we'll just grab that real quick. Maybe we just call. Well, let's try that real quick. Maybe I'm not understanding. Um, did we change runtime? Yeah, we have a GPU. It's right there. Um, let's do that, I guess. Code and add some more code. This example work. What do you say? So, it don't work. Um, so this does not work. Kind of. Okay. ELG. Wasn't it right there? Oh, he must have made that. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out some OpenCL examples. I guess we could just go back to OpenGL and try that. So yeah, we're going to disconnect and delete this. I'm going to have to figure out those at a different time. And the LS suite. This is what we want. Will it work? Okay, let's find out where we get module. Is that a local module? Yeah, so that's a local module. So let's go ahead and grab that repository and cd and run into it, I think. So yeah, let's try. To add some code here. We want to cd into content here. Git clone. And then here we want to go into PL or PY and then test. Then we run. Uh, pip install pygame. Okay, sure. Let us add that to pygame. Is there like no requirements? We'll test. Okay. No available video device. That makes sense. What video device did you hear? So this is where we need to test things. Let's see. Google Colab by OpenCL. Okay. Is this actually OpenGL? Not seeing it. None of these. Oh, so that's interesting. I do want to try that. What happens if we do that? Okay, code. And how did they? Okay, I'm curious. Where does this display come into play? Okay, it says it works. So we created a display. Now, how do we display it? Um, no, so Okay, let's see if there's any other interesting test. Gila window. What happens if we run that? Okay, so we need to do the raw. Get copied there. That's what we want. What's your error message say? Okay, so that might be yeah, this looks useful. So where's this log? So there a log somewhere? Right. We do have two. Where are you logging? Weird. Okay, what are we doing next? Kind of curious if we can get a screen exit, right? Like, draw the box there. OS demo. I need to find something useful to demo. Okay, yin yang, time link, test, I test. Okay. So how do we get this display? Go to the display, demo. So do I just how do we output that? I guess we could try this one, right? There. Okay. Um, I still want us to do display. I got it. Okay, I'm not sure. We're gonna get an OpenGL setup working. And I want to at least get something. Okay, we'll do performance, right? What does performance do? Okay, so we're gonna have to figure this out later. Okay, but let's create a new notebook. Runtime complete. Yes. We're gonna call this one 000 PyCuda device query. Let's do this. Change runtime, CPU, NVIDIA, SMI. Okay, cool. I want to look at it. PyCuda. And we're gonna close all those. Sorry about that. Documentation. Cool. Installation. Linux. Is there not a pip install? That's kind of annoying. Do you not have... I dare you. I'll do pip install PyCuda. What do you get? Look at that. I got PyCuda. It's doing everything. Okay, back to the first page. It's tutorial. Device interface. Okay. Let's do PyCuda device query, right? There we go. Cool. Hands-on programming. I feel like we hit the jackpot. Okay, so chapter 3 has a device query. Let us do this by hand, because I want to. Code. Yeah, we should be good. So why are the prints so ugly? Really? How you did it? Okay, we'll let it figure itself out real quick. And then we'll do PyOpenCL, and we'll probably call it good for the day. Okay, that worked. Now what do we get? I know, it's so ugly. Like, who would do that? Yeah, here we go. Here's the last one. This dictionary has no accurate items. What version of Python? Why are you not useful? Okay. Okay. We're good there. What version of Python using? Is 4 years old. Okay, so sure. Best way to do this is let's break it up. Okay, cool. We're going to break this up. Manageable parts. We only have one CUDA device, so let's just grab this. And we're just going to get 0. That's basically what I wanted. So let's get device attributes. Tell me, what useful information do you have? Oh, look at that. Great. So we want to make a dictionary. Tuples. Let's say for I in int I, right? That's not what we saw before. Not scriptable. Try -k. Yeah, so we can't unpack it. We have this huge list. And you look at the first item. Oh, so do we have to be like warp size? Warp size is not defined, so it's already a dictionary, right? So, boom. So if it's already a dictionary, can I do dot keys? I have to do it like that. Okay, we have a bunch of keys. But say for I in tuples print I. So those are the names. And can we go like I like that? Okay. Yeah, yep. I am solid with that. Clear output. Okay, cool. And so we could do device queries with PyCuda. The next one is PyOpenCL. Can we do that? We're not doing Versal FPGAs yet. I hope to get to that there someday. Let's go. A new notebook. We're going to do Pi. Then yeah. Device. Okay. Next. I don't think we added anything. I'll have to do these later. With Python. This to do text. There we go. With Python. Okay. Get back here. Let's try to get open, I don't know, PyOpenCL. Cool. Tell me your documentation. Nope. Okay. First step, runtime, change to a GPU. NVIDIA, SMI, manage sessions, Cuda. Okay, I have to take care of something now. Okay, so yeah, there we go. We're going to do pipe install. Okay, we have it. Good. That's random. I want to do a device query. That there. So we do have a git info or info lower case. We could try that. Should we just search all of GitHub? Okay, so copy that to there. Where's my computational unit? There's okay, we still have the info. Let's play around a bit. Device. Tell me device. What do you have? Cool. Dot. So like, let's see. Compute capability. That's what I want. Cool. So let's do we're gonna say compute capability base and put dot there, and this is going to be device dot compute minor. Go. Only can not int the string. Oh, you want me to put a little string around it? It's like a format option. I probably should do a format option here. Yeah, let's do it -t. Match everything else. Okay. Should I change the names around? Potentially. Okay, cool. We got this working. So we will have to play around with more of these, I guess next week. We'll try to do vector addition. Okay. Well, thank you for watching this. This is kind of more of an ad-lib development. We are going to probably get into more serious stuff later. But we got Cuda, both C, Python, OpenCL, C, and Python versions working. And we will just continue from here. I'll look into OpenGL to see if we can get examples. Otherwise, we may not be able to do that next time. Okay. Well, thanks for joining me. I might do another collab development session tomorrow. Yeah, sounds right.